Hi dear friends, this is Taz from Taslima Maya Art. Welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy my content, please do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And do leave me a comment, I love hearing from you. As usual, I'm kicking off the wonderful Fluid Art Express today, just the same as every Sunday at the same time. Please do join us in the live chats and find the full list of artists down below in my description box. Today's video is the first in a series of bite-sized basics videos I'm going to produce to help with various different things around fluid art, mixed media and other creative pursuits. In today's video you'll see me using a number of different products ranging from bubble wrap, crepe paper, tissue paper, various types of packaging tape, fragile packing tape, greaseproof paper, a thank you card, a business card and a little gift for the customer. The first thing you'll see me do is pack the back of my canvas where there's a gap using packaging that I've retrieved and kept from Amazon deliveries I've had in the past. I try to reclaim, repurpose and reuse any packaging material I have and use them to protect and package up my artwork to send out to my customers. So you've just seen me fill a gap in the back of the canvas with the foam and I'm then placing it over this card that I cut out to protect that gap and space. And on top of this I've cut out some parchment, greaseproof or baking paper. And the reason I do this is to stop any colour transfer from the rest of my packaging materials like the crepe paper onto my artwork. And it does protect it really well. I taped on my business card with a thank you sticker and I wrapped it with that blue crepe paper you just saw, and I'm now going to cut out this brown paper. This is packaging paper which I then wrap all of that in. Here is a thank you card I've written to my customer which I place inside as well, and you can download many different types of thank you cards or actually purchase them if you wish. And I place that inside on top of the crepe paper, and I picked this beautiful gorgeous blue for this because obviously the painting is blue as well with my Bollywood princess. And then I am adding an extra little gift. I do often send gifts to my customers as a way of thanking them for purchasing from me, and this is a little necklace and earring set that this customer is going to receive, and it's handmade using acrylic paint skins that I made. It's very, very beautiful. It's amber in colour, gorgeous amber colours. And I then place that in the crepe paper, so I wrap it up in crepe paper with a similar colour to what I wrapped the original artwork in. And this artwork is actually flying to the States. A lovely friend and a fellow artist purchased it. You may know her as Laurie from It's Art by Sparkle. Do go check her channel out if you haven't already and subscribe to her. I then place it in a cardboard box and wrap that with a brown paper and fragile tape, and it's ready to go. In the second How To Basics video, I'll be showing you how I use tissue paper to wrap my beautiful poppy meadow painting. You may remember this mixed media piece that was created in lieu of Remembrance Day very recently on my channel. If you haven't seen the video, please do go check it out. So I'll be wrapping this up for packaging and postage to the States. So in the back, all I've done is I've added a signature here, and you can see I've added a stamp as well, saying Taslima Maya Art and handmade with love. And then what I've also done is added some bubble wrap in the back to give it that added protection when it's flying over. It is going to be in a cardboard box obviously, but I just wanted to make sure that if anyone did press into the box, it's not going to go completely through with the canvas being like this. So it's a very heavy duty canvas. It's got MDF around the edges. It's quite heavy actually. So I'm going to be now protecting it again. So the first thing I will do is wrap it in tissue paper. And once I've wrapped it in tissue paper, I will then add bubble wrap around that with the bubbles facing away from the bubble side, which is this side, facing away from the painting, so this way. So I'll first wrap, and then I'll wrap it again in this brown paper, parcel paper, and then I'll probably put it inside the box And once I put it inside the box, I will put this fragile tape over that as well. So you can see me doing that now. So what we've got here is lots of lovely tape that we can use, ribbon, and this is a selection of assorted tissue paper. So I'm going to pick a colour that's relevant normally to the painting I'm sending, and again quite easily get them out. There we go, very, very beautiful. And what I'll probably do is just select a colour that makes sense with this. So I think we're going to go for red. Okay, so let's get the red one out. And then pop these back. So we have red paper now. So let me move all these away. And we're going to wrap it in this. So if I just lift it up, and I'll pop it down over the top. So let's put this over, and then over here, and then one last piece over the top as well. One quick tip, I always use greaseproof or baking paper just to go on top of the painting to make sure that any colour transfer doesn't occur between any other packaging or even a tissue paper. So I'll just simply cut this out, and I will just pop it on top before I wrap it. Okay, so and then I will wrap it on top of this just to protect it. Now I'm going to wrap that up. Okay, so now it's ready to be put inside the box. Okay. And now put another layer of wrapping on this. This may be any number of coloured wrapping paper, but here I'm using brown paper, parcel paper, and I'm just quickly wrapping that up. So you can see it's had a number of different layers so far. I'm going to add some lovely gold ribbon around it now, and curl the ends up to make it look pretty. And you don't have to keep it this basic. There's so many different materials, beautiful materials on the market to make your parcel look nice, and to gift wrap it. There's so many different materials, so you can take your pick really of them. But hello, darling. How are you?
Oh, baby, you're happy. Oh.
Go. So that's ready to go in my big box now. What do you think? Okay, so the next job is to write these thank you cards, which I have. I'm going to write a thank you card to the customer, obviously, and write a message in here. Okay, so that's the next part. I will then tuck it into this parcel, and then I will post the entire box. So here's my parcel, and I'm going to just show you. I bubble wrapped it, and obviously you can see my parcel here ready to be shipped. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on Venom's channel next. Bye for now.